CBFI 8000 Cubic Food Processing and Refrigeration Workshop Project. The cold storage plate is made of stainless steel. Stainless steel air cooler all-metal blades, water plate to make food more safe. Low-temperature food processing workshop in line with GMP standard construction, C-class purification standard. Take into account safety and efficiency while improving the comfort of the working environment. Cutting, packaging and purification room. Stainless steel plate tunnel freezer. Semi-finished product workshop. Finished goods temporary storage workshop. Sorting sweep area. Shipment of the platform. CBFI has hundreds of 10,000 tons of other cold storage project design, installation, upgrade, transformation experience. With 30,000 square meters of equipment production base, we can provide customers with one-stop refrigeration solutions. CBFI is the best choice of 10,000 tons of cold storage.